Hi everyone, and welcome to another episode of Ian is a Weirdo. Today I have my mustache on. I'm feeling real confident about it, even though it could use a little help. But practice makes perfect. I'm totally okay with that. So, we are on day 16, so we are past the halfway mark of 31 projects of Halloween. Why do I do that? I don't know. It's because it's the only way I can dance above the desk. I'm gyrating below this. You don't even know. So today's day 16. So let's go ahead and pick our word of the day, or words. Okay, so the word is demons. Okay, so there's, again, there's just so many things that I have on my mind. I'm like, oh, perfect for it. So, I think there is, like a classic demon, Stuffy. Then there, are, things that are more like harpies, which that would be like, I feel like that would be too much to make, because that would be probably like clay / paper mache type project, and I don't think I have time. Sorry, the hair is like in my mouth. Okay. So, yeah, so I think that, I wouldn't do a harpy per se. With demons, I kind of associate Satan, although I know that, like, it's not quite that way, but, we could put him in the mix if we really wanted to. I could do a painting. That could be really cool. Mel's been talking about like a baby mobile. I don't know. But it'd be cool to have that with like little demons flying on it. That would be really cool. I like that idea a lot. And we could do a Halloween demon. And make it like a flat one, so it wouldn't take as much time, and it would be something that I could pop out in a day or two, pretty easily. Let's see. Demons. I have an idea that's going, my mind's going straight to the gutter, so I'm gonna skip that one. Probably doesn't help the cookies I just made. But I could do like a cross stitch. With like a cute little like cheapy demon. Just a little like squirt. that would be super fun. And I haven't cross-stitched in a long time. And I keep talking about cross-stitching, and I haven't cross-stitched anything. So, yeah. Let's see. I like the mobile, or whatever it is. I think I like that the most. That's, to me, the cutest thing. The cross-stitch one would be cute as well. But I just love the idea of, like, demons flying over your baby. I don't know why. Maybe it's because I'm sick in the head. And then you can make, if you had time, if you could make a blanket that has like a circle of salt, so it's just like a like a um, like a white border, and it's like a circle of salt that protects your baby from demons. Oh, that'd be cool. And now I'm like thinking like way ahead, like what I want my child to have, and Mel's not even pregnant, so you know, not happening any day now. I'll say that. Yeah, I feel like we got some good things. I'll talk to Mel, see what she has in mind. We'll see. Could be fun. Do you guys like the mustache? Is it a good look? I kind of feel like it looks like Tom Selleck, but like a yellow-haired Tom Selleck. I look a little bit like my dad, except my dad's hair is actually the black, whereas this is just mostly dark brown, and medium brown. So, if you watch the video, you know that. So,